Hello, we are Spangled, and this is an unreleased song of ours. It's called Horizon's Glance, and this is for Sound Factory's live sessions.
Smashing.
Hit it.
Who's gonna eat the sharks before the massacre starts? Oh, I've been living in my pencil on the edge of Monumental, and I barely defrosted my car. But I'm always off ways, nearly ways anyways. My toothbrush died in my mouth. I stubbed my toe on the coffin of my early grave, but it's not worth crying about. And I felt better at Horizon's Glance, knowing this may be my final chance. I've tasted more vines and grapes today, so send them golden empty promises my way.
Vermicelli in the pouring rain. I was eating vermicelli in the pouring rain. I was eating vermicelli in the pouring rain. I was eating vermicelli in the pouring rain.
Who's gonna sting the bees before they get to the trees? He said he didn't need her, blamed it on the hay fever. Calm down, Keanu Snakes. And I felt better at Horizon's Glance, knowing this may be my final chance. I'm tasting more vines and grapes today, so send them golden empty promises my way. Horizon's Glance, oh oh. Horizon's Glance, oh oh. Horizon's Glance, oh oh. Horizon's Glance.
I was eating vermicelli in the pouring rain. I was eating vermicelli in the pouring rain. I was eating vermicelli in the pouring rain. I was eating vermicelli in the pouring rain.